Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to offer you a reminder. A lot of time we can feel that we are not good enough, and that with time, with meditation practice and so on, we'll have some traits that we desire, and then finally we will be good enough, or maybe we'll be happy. And it is very common. I think it is a normal part of being human. It is a normal experience. And so the reminder that I would like to offer you is that the traits that you are looking for, so maybe being more kind, being more patient, being more understanding and so forth, those qualities, you already have them in you. And maybe right now, those qualities, they are small and you don't get in touch with them often. But because you are a human being, you have those seeds in you. And the practice of meditation is really to learn how to come back to yourself and come back to touch those seeds and water them, nourish them so that they become stronger and then more prevalent in your interaction, in your experience, in your daily life. So feeling more calm, it's something that we can develop by practicing mindfulness in our daily life to slow down, to come back to our breathing throughout the day, so that we can also touch our sense of solidity. And the more we practice, the more we'll be able to remember and bring this quality of being when things get hectic. The same for practicing understanding, being more patient, and so forth. First, we practice with us, being patient with us, listening to what's happening in us. Once we become skillful at that, it is easier to be patient with others, be more understanding with others. And nobody said it's easy. So that's why we practice and we are patient and kind to ourselves. So that's it. Just don't think that what you're searching for is somewhere in the future is something that you don't have. It is something that you already have, it is in you, and you just need to go back to it. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.